His car is more better than mine. She is more stronger than me. Hold on. What's wrong with these expressions? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English, and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, why can't I say things like more better? Well, that's because there are different ways that we compare things, depending on how long the word sounds. There is also a special rule, which I will explain. First, when we compare two things, and those two things are short-sounding words, we often use ER. Think of how tall, a short-sounding word, becomes taller. Big becomes bigger. Smart becomes smarter. And strong becomes stronger. So we can say things like, I am taller than her. His cookie is bigger than mine. My dad is stronger than me. I think dogs are smarter than cats. Easy, right? Next, we use the word more only when we compare longer sounding words like more beautiful, more interesting, and more intelligent. But wait, there's a special rule for the word good. We don't say gooder, and we usually don't say more good. So then what do we say? Good actually becomes better when we are comparing two things, and good becomes best when we're comparing a group of things. We would say, his car is better than my car, because we're comparing two things, his car and my car. We wouldn't say, his car is more better than my car. And we definitely wouldn't say, his car is gooder than my car. Let's avoid getting confused when we want to compare two things. So repeat after me for some speaking practice. David is shorter than my brother. David is shorter than my brother. My smartphone is larger than yours. My smartphone is larger than yours. Taking a bus is cheaper than taking a taxi. Taking a bus is cheaper than taking a taxi. His laptop is better than mine. His laptop is better than mine. This couch feels better than my old one. This couch feels better than my old one. My friend is better at cooking than me. My friend is better at cooking than me. So, do you understand how to compare two short-sounding words? Let's do a quiz. My younger sister is than me. My younger sister is smarter than me. I think that apples taste than grapes. I think that apples taste better than grapes. Ted is than Fred. Ted is taller than Fred. Good job, everyone. So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye.